A bird's nest often serves as a safe haven for sustenance. The mother bird typically brings food to the nest, ensuring the chick receives the necessary nutrients for growth. Inside a cozy, intricately woven bird's nest, a small fluffy chick peeks out, its bright eyes blinking curiously at the world around it. The nest, delicately cradled among the branches of a sturdy tree, is lined with soft materials that provide warmth and comfort. The little bird relies on its attentive mother, who flits back and forth, bringing morsels of food, tiny insects, and seeds to nourish her hungry offspring. As the mother bird calls gently from nearby, the chick eagerly awaits her return, instinctively knowing that her care is essential for its growth and survival.